let us have a good life. So we look at it basically, we want to give them what everyone can afford. And what did we give them? We gave them a minimum of $500,000 sum assured for as little as 3,000 naira per annum.
So Femi, when that payment is made, who is it made to? When the payment is made, who is it made to?
No, that's the premium.
I'm asking Femi, there's a reason. Wait. No, because you're not listening. No, okay. So when that payment is made, when there's some everybody should listen. No, I'm not listening.
No, it's for them. It's for the parents.
So that payment is made to the bereaved family.
The sum assured will pay to the bereaved family, but the group as a whole collects the premium. Now, for the past 2.5 years, we have been having members that said 500,000 is too small for me. If I die, I want to give to my family. So let's increase it. But being an association, there is a limit, which is 5 million naira. Of the sum assured that can be assessed. So, like I said, the minimum was 500,000, and the premium for that is just 3,000 naira per annum. And because
Downfall, am I the money to us all?
There's a question. Someone wants to ask a question. Check over to you.
So my question was, you said the occurrence of death, the payouts to the family or to the next people?
to the family, when I said the family, because you are going to give us the name beneficiary.
So that's the next of kin.
Yes.
So not family.
Not next of kin, not next of kin, beneficiary.
When I said family, I said we pay the sum assured to the company. And many cases, the company refused to pay to the family of the deceased. So federal government now enacted an act that in case of death, you pay to the family. When I said the family, that is the next of kin you are going to provide. Now, for instance, I can say, okay, give to my son. So automatically, we are not paying to your wife, or we are not paying to your husband. We are paying to that son, except if that son is a minor. That is when a letter of administration will be requested for us to pay the mother or the father.
Thank you for explaining it. Torí àwọn ọmọ àgbọ̀lọ́ ló kú nípa yìí. Wọ́n lè mọ̀ pé tó bá ti ṣẹlẹ̀ ìyàwó wọn ló máa fún àbọ̀mọ́. Torí ẹ̀ náà ṣe ń béèrè question.
Coming to that. Yes, sir.
Can you describe more than one at a time? Say, for instance, in my estate, we have
Oh, you forget one thing, you forget one.
When it comes to life, there is no limited value to life. You can have as many life policies as is available for you. So if you are having at your estate and station at home, you have within your group, you have at your place of work, you can have everything. For instance, I have at my place of work. I have at my old student association in Unilag. And I also have among our committee of friends. That was where I finished my
great Agoga.
So now what we added to it because they said, okay, if something happens to me, I have an accident and I didn't die, and probably I have disability. What happened to me? We now incorporated what we call group personal accident to the policy. This group personal accident now afford the group. If anybody should have an accident and there is somebody with disability, we now pay the code, the same sum assured that is approved. Now, under your GSO other set, what we did for them is, apart from this sum assured for the group life, which was from 500,000 to 5 million, some people now did group personal accident from the same 500,000. So in case something happens to me, I didn't die, or I have disability, pay 500,000. And the limit as well is 5 million.
Does it cover cases somebody just to leave their business or good and I did not die?
Let's say for instance, I have an accident and one of my index figure got cut. Automatically, I can't have the ability like that. That's permanent disability. Automatically, the insurance company will pay you.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
That's how we used to work that time. Most people that's it. Now, what I want to ask you, I'll see you've explained the amount involved for, but I didn't get the one that you said they are doing 500,000. How much is going to be the contribution?
The rate we
Yes,
apply.
but telling me now, don't go and now, if we are doing, I want you to, now you've mentioned 500, you've mentioned 5 million. So we want to know what will be our contribution, so that will be what we bring in our mind and what we're looking for. It's not just money. The end result is not what matters, but what are we going to contribute and how we are going to contribute. So I want you to know
When
that.
it comes to contribution, it is the executive that will do that. Okay, we just renewed, Mrs. Father Edo said, in July. So from May, they will give me a call. So see, let's start the process of our renewal. Because at times, this is where I will just chip in. At times, it's not everybody that is going to contribute. Honestly, we have to be sincere with ourselves. Everybody will partake. Fingers are not equal. It's a secret, but I can say it. Among them, what they used to do is somebody can say, "I'm paying for 10 people." Among you, yes, among no, a person among them can just say, "Okay, me, I'm dropping this amount. Let it cover 10 people." And somebody is okay, I'm dropping this for 10 people. I'm doing this for myself. That's why I said, and the rate we apply for association is 0.6%. That is 6 per mil. Now, if I say 6 per mil, that is it's supposed to be 6,000 for 1 million. Am I right? But it's now 3,000 for 500,000. So what we just need to first have is the name of everyone, their date of death, and the amount each person is looking at. Now, how you get the money is none of our business. Ours is just we have collected our premium. Give us the check. This is it. You now remitted it to Azam Mansard account. That is what we do.
You're not going for the best of you.
David, it's a good question. If you don't you are buying, I don't get condition.
Anyway, that's not the issue actually. I'm just trying to say. So now, if we come in as a group and try to put it together, give it to you. Now, is it going to be that individually we're going to do that strategy if we are doing for 5 years?
Yes.
Ìjẹ́bẹ́ gbogbo alamá fún 500.
No. That's why we call it a
Now,
policy.
another thing is I want to believe that before we can go into that, we should have a bank account, right?
No.
We don't have to have a bank account.
Okay, ma. Now, that is now this is what happened. We can decide to create what we call a code because we don't accept cash in account. What we accept is either you do an online transfer, you drop a check, or you pay directly to your personal account. We are going to create an account for this year. Now,
We are listening now.
so how do we identify your own set to be set 81? Okay. Now we create the code for you. They send you this number. We give it to the chairman. By the time the payment is ready from everybody, the chairman will just use that number make transfer to wherever. Immediately is there. I'm coming. That account in all the banks. But you see that code you are talking about is specifically created for customers. this code, it was only Wema Bank that was ready. No bank used to generate their own account numbers. But no, not their life. But this number we created from our own portal goes straight to Wema Bank. And the number starts with 31. And it's 10-digit number. I have my personal because I insure my car, I insure my home with my company. So it's there. So I don't need to. I'm coming to that. I'm coming to that. I'm coming to that. So that number, the chairman can just use it to make the transfer. Or you can say, okay, it's the treasurer that is going to pay. You can use that. But if you are not using that number, there is a designated number with GT. Initially, GT happens to be our parent company. Because of Sanusi policy and everything, we have to separate. So, but we still maintain all our accounts with GTB. We have the designated number that you can pay in, but you just send me the EOP. We'll just link it to your account.
Tinubu insurance.
Huh?
No, I'm just saying hello.
So that is that. Then what we are going to do is evidence of payment. So what we are going to do, we create a document for you with a schedule with everybody's name on it and their sum assured. So God forbid, if anybody should die, you don't need to even stress yourself. Just contact us, we send us the obituary and everything about that person. But because of now when it comes to group, all of us have different character, different traits. We only want people that have any pre-existing condition to inform us. Why? Because not that we are not going to insure the person, we are going to add the person to the group. So that if anything happens, probably they will say, okay, this one that wants to do 500,000 because of this pre-existing condition, you are adding 500 naira or something. Your premium will be different from everyone. But if nobody is having any pre-existing condition, everybody pay the same amount and we.
Somebody mentioned something very important in our meeting now. Yes, and if we are coming in as a group, and they include their partner,
Definitely. They can.
So I'll explain how that.
Now, I'm Mr. A. I want to insure myself. Okay, Oluwatosin Adelera, I want to insure myself. But because it's not an official setting, it's not a corporate organization, it's a group. And the set I described, they have their spouses on the platform. They have their spouses on the platform. So we ensure the person that happens to be your colleague in school and their spouses. But not everybody. Some just say me alone.
Now, in case that's
same price. Same price. If it is different so much.
No. When you say same price, you know, excuse me, God tell me that what I'm trying to say and I want to explain to us is that now all of us here want to pray, right? But somebody wants to bring the wife or the husband in. Now, is it the same amount that this man is going to pay? Is he going to be the one that will cover his wife?
Because we can do.
So is it about a new? So as he's going to do it for himself, is he also what he's going to pay? Because now he's going to pay, let's assume that 3,000 you're talking about. If he's bringing in his wife, is it still going to be on this 3,000 or it's going to double his own? Anybody bringing the spouse will double their own.
Depending on the sum, depending on the sum assured.
Depending on the sum.
Why? I'll send it. We'll send it to the group chat.
That's 6,000. That's sum assured. Somebody wants to ask you something. No. That's sum assured.
Sorry, we have to add that one. But that if you need to add, for every year on that 500, you get 3,000.
That's the premium.
Am I good? You're right. So that's
On the review. No, 3,000.
I think you have to hello, are you an insurance?
Sir Charles.
Hello.
Okay, somebody wants to ask question.
Attend to the question.
Attend to the question. Ẹ tí ò ní ọmọ lẹ́nu lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ sọ́tẹ̀. Oh yeah, please, ẹ sọ tẹ̀sí níjà ni.
Yes, my wife and I, we've been a role of Samantha.
Ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ sókè jàre bàbá.
You can hear me. We've been a role for the past 3 years.
HMO.
Yes.
Okay.
Through our church hospital.
Okay.
And for the past 3 years, I've been going there. My wife went there for me for the first 1 year. And she went for cough complaint. After 1 year, the 2 years, she has accepted her as Lord for that whole period. Since for the past 2 years now, she goes there, they don't attend to her.
Your wife.
Yes, so that will be the problem. And the church pay every year. And again, that's number one. Then number two, the church cover that each time you go for any medication treatment, you be overcharged. As a result, you are forced to be what? Be asking for our records. Not be to sign for every cost.
So that means you tell us if there's going to be any charge.
Thank you for the question. The first one, I will need to get Madam's enrollees number. It's not possible under our scheme to exhaust your benefit in one visit to the hospital. It's not possible. Premium for HMO is paid yearly. I have it. And it covers my wife and my children. Now, under AXA, we don't do capitalization. Many people don't understand that statement. There are some HMOs you will think is cheaper. Fine is cheaper, but they will give you a caveat, a limit of whatever you can access at the hospital. But in AXA, we use fee for service. You can ask anyone. That is why you can go to the hospital for 365 days. It's our premium. The only thing they will do for you in the second year, they will assess what we call utilization ratio. Okay, we are going to no. So, if for the past 2 years, Madam cannot access care, we need to check. Probably she was not renewed. Probably she was not renewed, or maybe her enrollee number is not active. If her enrollee number is not active, she will never be able to access care. Now, when it comes to overcharging, the essence we ask our enrollees to be signing whenever they go to the hospital. You see, everybody wants to exploit an opportunity because we have been able to come with the numbers. Hospitals now have access to have many people to treat. So what they do is they will overcharge you. They know what they are going to send to us. Fine, we have different plans under the HMO. We have bronze, silver, gold, platinum, and platinum plus. The least plan is bronze. And I can categorically tell you, the least plan we have in AXA, you can still do operation up to 500,000. So if they are now overcharging you, it's because they want to make extra money. That was why the audit unit for the hospitals have been able to send out some of the hospitals on our platform and add new ones. But I will need to get Madam's number. I will get your phone number. I'll be able to look at it when I get to the office on Monday. I can do that for you. Because if they are paying the renewal, she must be able to access care every year. And for 2 years, don't be able to access care. Those are the implications. That two things, not renew or our number not active. That is that. So when it comes to HMO, health is well. As you are growing old, you are going to have health challenges. Whether you pray or not, you could be active and fit. But one thing will happen. as young as I am, I did operation 2 months ago. My 2 legs, sincerely speaking. I just immediately after the Salah first, I just had operation on the 2 legs, and it was paining me. And the two have to be operated. They call it locuna. They have to operate. No, I didn't sleep with it, but I woke up with it. And thank God for HMO. They have to operate the two. A month after, my daughter was unable to breathe very well. They said she has too much flesh at the throat. They have to operate it. And I didn't see that operation before that. After the operation, it's ice cream and cold thing they must be taken for 7 days. And she got better. And all these things. Yes, all these things. When I got the cost.
Drink something for
Yes,
Cold tea,
after the
cold
operation.
Cold tea, yeah.
For when I got the bill, because I'm working there, I can have access to see expenses. I'm seeing almost 1.1 million for the 2 operations. I was surprised. I'm on silver plan.
What's the silver plan? Sorry.
Yes, there is bronze,
Gold.
there is gold, the silver, there is gold, platinum, and platinum. I'm being sincere with you. I'd rather advise don't go for platinum place. If you are not the type that can have any conversation overseas, platinum is okay if you really want to have. The only difference between platinum and platinum plus is just that extradition you want to take it. But you know that our bros, as small as it is, you can still have second opinion in South Africa with just that 70,000. But the challenge is age limit. Because government really streamline what we can do. For association, other group like it is to 70 years. But for corporate organization, it is 65. This HMO thing is to 65. But other corporate can get to 70. But the moment you get to 70, we need what is called TPA, third party administration. The advantage of that is we help you to manage your expenses with the hospital at no cost to us. The only thing, okay, let me just drop a million cancer for me and madam because you're already 70 years old. So whenever you go to the hospital, instead of them not charging for instance, your bill today is 50,000, they will send the bill to us, we will review it. Okay, if you are not paying 50,000, they are paying 40. So we have been able to help you reduce the cost. But if you are not yet up to 70, you can come as a demand to have the HMO. Now, what are the benefits of the HMO? Firstly, the general practice. You can walk into the hospital to have all these tests we have. We do it 1 time annually for groups. So you can just say that okay, every 1st February of every year, our group want to go and do our HMO annual checkup, and they will test you for that year. Whenever you have anything to complain to the doctor, you can now walk in. And I said we are not doing capitalization. Capitalization means that for the whole group can say for the whole group for this month of January or November, your total expenditure can never exceed 200. Now let's say somebody now goes to the hospital, the person exhausted 150. Another person goes 20,000. Another person goes 15,000. Before the 200 is complete, they will wait to give you either medication or diagnosis until the 2nd month when they are now going to release another 200. Unlike fee for services, that one gives you multiple times to visit the hospital. Now, when it comes to dentists, we don't do beautification. We don't do beautification. We have people today that have bracelets. Braces on their teeth. It's not good for you. If you find somebody who will not give you punch, the teeth come out, we are not paying because you have braces on it. But if you have holes in your teeth, you have toothache and all those stuff, you are going to treat it. Now, under pros, you want to collect your glasses, fine. Your limit is 10,000 naira. If you want to use spray of 200,000, I said under pros. Under pros, I'm using the basic plan to just cite examples. If you want to use spray of 200,000, you are welcome. You only pay that 10,000 naira. But for people on platinum pros, it's 40,000 naira. Then apart from that, you have up to ₦500,000 for you have the opportunity to be in semi-private work for 48 hours in case of emergency. Now, under Azamansa, you have the opportunity to choose two options: the private hospital and the secondary hospital. That means you can have one close to your office, you can have one close to the home. But in case of emergency, you can take it very well. The only thing is they will stabilize you, they will now come and evacuate you back to your primary hospital. That is what we do. Sir. Let me explain the benefit. If you get benefit, because today if you go to the market, they will tell you Atamasa is very, very expensive. If you are coming in as a group, I will sincere with you, it's very, very expensive. But if you are coming in as an individual, it's cheaper. For bronze, it's 700,000. For gold and for silver, it's 130,000. For gold, yes, for the whole year. For gold, it's 170,000. For platinum, it's 327,000. And for platinum plus, it's 570,000 naira for the whole year.
For the group or individual?
Individual. The group. If you are coming in as a group, like I now be discount. Hello, probably around 10% discount. That's the maximum.
Hello. I think, hello. So far, we appreciate what you have said. But one thing is so certain, we cannot assimilate everything that you have said. I will appreciate, we will appreciate if you can give us a comprehensive rise up.
I will do that.
On this,
I will
the
connect
the chairman, whatever, they will look at it and they will know how to disseminate the necessary information to everybody. So what is to be detailed on what you are going to send to us, and then we will look at it as much as possible, and where it's going to involve coming in with your spouses and all that, just let us know. And if the leader wants to come and say, okay, I've not really had opportunity of knowing much about this, I want to come in with my family, the children and whatever, how many children they bring, just break everything to break them down.
The maximum is 4.
But that means no Igbo. Just keep the right of
Now, I'm very below 25 years. Anytime above 25, you come in as an individual.
no problem. So just let us have the right. Many of us are not privileged to have these details to this extent. So just be for us and just be talking and talking and talking and talking. Leave it to us and
Leave this meet alone.
we don't have to go about it.
Can I say something? Okay, so in everything the gentleman has said, so he's talking about two things: life insurance and health insurance. As much as both of them are important, I would want us to consider health insurance more. The age that we all are, we've spent more than half our lifespan. Half. So if I'm being economical with this, we'll spend over half of whatever amount of years. Please, can we have one now? We'll spend over half of whatever amount of time we have left of health. On this same platform, we've had loss of life, we've suffered loss of life of mentors. And it's always been a struggle. For me, highly embarrassing that you go to people and ask them to contribute. In some cases, some people would even tell you, so there was a period when we had a loss of life of 3 people. And one person said he was contributing, but his contribution was for this amount out of this pool to this person, this amount to this person, the third person, I'm not contributing. So I don't think we should descend to that level. If all of us buy in, plug in to what he's talking about, it becomes easier. If there's loss of life, we don't have to worry, go capping and begging anybody. The association will speak for that member. What is spoken about, this group hasn't done it. I've joined I don't know what group we call them, the 79 group or whatever. So I've subscribed to what it's talking about. I'm on that group, I pay. I've been paying for years. And it takes nothing at all. So out of me participating, I also ask myself, so I pay the premium But when when you pay the premium, it's not on you, it's for your spouse. So I asked myself, nothing says I'm going to die before my spouse. So what if she passes before me? So I'm doing all of this for her, as most men are gullible enough to do. Now, and so I asked them, so what if I'm the one that is being not my wife? So what I had to do was take out another policy on myself. I took out one on myself, one on my wife.
That is exactly what this man has.
Yeah, so and for me, if all of us do that, it becomes so even when you're going to visit someone that's bereaved, you're going there knowing that even if you don't have the entire house, you're going to go there with something and so that the family will get something from it. So like I said, life insurance is important, health insurance is important, but we're closer to that age where we're going to be pegging up one after the other. And we should look at that more.
That's what I was about to say. Hello. Please. Now, from what Shebu have said now, we discovered that some of us here are over 60. Many are over 60. And they said, some are 60, some are over 60. But he said 70 at least. So it's like those
the bracket.
that's what I'm saying, that those who are already over 60, but the now please at this junction now, I want to begin with what Femi has said. And we have all listened attentively. If we are in support that we should do the health insurance and the life insurance, if you know, just wait up. Support that we should go ahead with the health insurance and the life insurance. For the association, you can put up your hands. So that we know that we are all together. The health insurance. Okay, let's do it. Maybe I have to Hello, please, if you know you want to support the health insurance, health insurance, can you raise your hand? So if you are for life, if you are for health insurance, and the majority will carry the vote. And by the time we get back to the platform, what you will pay, your premium you will pay. Aha. Let's go, please. If you are how many are in support of the health insurance?
How many are not in support?
Now for life insurance, because somebody has to have different things. There are two different things. So if you are interested for life, if you are for life insurance as well, please invest as well. If you are interested in life insurance as well, life insurance as well. Majority of our people tell you about life insurance. Life insurance, very low, check low, I think what you So we don't want life insurance. We want
it's not the same question.
That's true. It's because of the light. Sometimes position. Yeah.
There are
What's that?
Andre, you are bound player. Andre.
Who already has idea very pertinent question. For what we are doing here, one thing is that they are just not our knowledge, something like this. It's not compulsory to do with them. And you can do with them. You can also see other opinions and see which one is best. So what we are saying here is, are we interested in this? So when we now
DJ,
so my brother, so please, yes.
Okay.
So you sent the platform.
Okay.
National health, you said 70 per individual. National health insurance, in charge people stay by individual. What are the benefits you give beyond what the NHIS?
I will not be able to have access to mo lè má láǹfààní láti mọ benefit the NHIS tó offer. No, the second thing is being backed by the federal government. The NHIS is being backed by the federal government. So we don't have that liberty to compete with the federal government because they will subsidize so many things. Federal government will subsidize so many things. So we are not as far.
So at this junction, we have one question for you. We have one question. So what we are saying now is that you should give us the right thought on this that we have discussed with us. And I know even in our group we have so many professionals that will bring simply their own ideas. But they will bring it together, bring it back to the assembly table, then to the general platform. And then we will let know when we want to comment, because we are all agreed we can go ahead. So when we want to comment, we will let the house know. Are we good?